Okay, so this is a part 2 video specifically for installation. I wanted to make this a little more streamlined. So basically, I wanted to show y'all where these will show up as far as the travel, the mileage, and the adders of snap trim and stucco flange. So I got all this. I'm going to hit finish here. So we got our project adders here. Y'all don't have view of this though, so I wanted to build the work order so you can see where you're going to see it. I don't think y'all see this view either, but you can see my travels showing up there down at the very bottom. Travel greater than 20 miles. It's one quantity, but I had 55 miles, if I recall correctly, 55 miles from the office times 3 days, which is how I get my 165. So we got one way, $1 a mile, and this is undiscountable, so it in essence is redlined. The full amount is redlined. So I'm going to go ahead and build my work order, customer agreement, confirm. And here's my work order, which this y'all should be familiar with. So the snap trim and stucco flange is, since it's a line item adder, not a project adder, it's going to show up on the line item. And you can see the very two just in all the options. The very last two are snap trim height per linear foot, snap trim width. So, and that was an old one. That was way early in the process. If we go to some of these further ones down here, it's fixed to say snap trim height and snap trim width. If you look at that right at the bottom of that descriptor kind of options section. So that is where you're going to be able to see that the snap trim was accounted for on each window, because that's the only place it's going to show up since it's a line item adder. It will not show up in the project adder section. So the project adder, the mileage, is going to show up right here. So y'all can see the work order. I have no clue what it looks like in WebOS, so I can't answer any questions for you there. I'm sorry. But all I can do is show you the part that I know, which is this is the work order, which y'all will see this exact same thing. And here's where the mileage will show up, and it should look exactly like this. So anything that does not say travel greater than 20 miles is something that was done improperly, and that needs to be addressed because that's a process issue. So this is how travel should show up every time. No questions, no ifs, ands, or buts. This is how the travel should look, with, of course, the appropriate amount, line itemed out over to the right. So that's kind of what we got. Again, I wish I could help you out with WebOS, but I don't even have a clue what's going on in there. So I'll leave that up to y'all, but this is from the sales side. This is what that's going to look like with your project adders down here by the sum total. And then all your line item adders will be up here in the line product descriptors specifically. So we got snap trim on all these bad boys here. And it's the same thing with stucco flange. I deleted the stucco flange on that example I created. So it's not going to show, but all your snap trims are showing up here. So, okay, hope it helps. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, ladies.